Hello family, my name is Shoe Doctor, the founder of John Claus Enterprise. Today I'll be teaching us the difference between top grain leather, suede leather or genuine leather. Then we have the velvet or fabric material that are used in shoe production. What I'm holding in my hand is a pair of loafers shoe, and this shoe is made with a top grain leather. What is a top grain leather? A top grain leather is an animal skin that has been processed from the factory. The second shoe that I'm holding on my hand right now is a pair of loafer shoe also, but this is made with a velvet or fabric material. Can you see it? There's more difference between this and the other loafers. This pair of velvet loafers and the other top grain loafer shoe. Can you see the difference? Can you see this as if the shoe is having some hairy parts on the surface? So this is also a loafer shoe, right? But there's difference between this particular material and the top grain material. The third leather that I talked about is the suede leather. Now the suede leather, if you process the top grain leather, I mean the leather that was used for this particular pair of shoe, this leather, if you process this leather, you can get this leather. If you process it in the factory, you get this suede leather. Now there's difference between this suede leather and this leather, right? There's difference between this leather and this leather. They are not the same thing. This leather, but this fabric, the one I'm using making this shoe, is fabric, but this leather, this genuine leather. So there's difference. Like I've taught in my previous video, for full grain leather and top grain leather, you use your kiwi, your solid polish, for the maintenance of it, right? And if you have shoe cream, you can use on the leather for moisturization, right? So if you have your kiwi polish, your solid polish, not your liquid polish, solid kiwi, I recommend kiwi solid for people, right? You can use it for your full grain leather and your top grain leather. No leather like this, in any color at all, you can use it. It's recommendable. I recommend kiwi polish. For the second and third leather that I talked about, the fabric material or the velvet material and the genuine leather or the suede leather, what you use in maintenance is not the kiwi polish or the solid polish, neither is the liquid polish, right? You don't use any of those form of polish for the maintenance. You use your spray, right? We have black and brown for it. That's what you use for your maintenance. Now in maintaining either your suede leather shoe or your fabric leather shoe, you don't spray your spray close to the shoe. You don't bring your spray close to the shoe and spray the shoe. You give gap, right? You give gap so that it can rest upon the suede or the fabric material properly. You gap it, give distance, then spray. Give distance, then spray on it. Don't bring it close like this and spray. The spray will rest as it will soak. It will soak the fabric because it's a fabric material. It's not leather, right? It will soak it. But once you give distance and spray, it will drop like dew upon the shoe, the fabric material. It will drop like dew. It will bring out the beauty of the shoe. So you give gap while spraying. Don't bring it closer. I hope these tips help someone out there. Thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate. God bless you. See you in my next video. Cheers.